guys, so today we're going to be making some gingerbread cookies. Falling off the plate, and I've dipped a few of them in chocolate and a few of them are just plain. So here we are. And here's how I made them. Hi everyone, hope you are all well. So as you can see from my little video snippet, we are making ginger biscuits today. I'm going to show you the ingredients we're using and then you can watch me make them. So here is the ingredients I have. We have flour, gum syrup. I couldn't find any ground ginger, so I have replaced it with some cinnamon and some allspice. We have an egg because I need the egg yolk. Some bicarbonated soda, some grated ginger that I've just grated, some butter. It's meant to be non-salted, but this is all I've got, so this is going to have to make do, and some light brown sugar.
And now it's time for the method. Go ahead and preheat your oven at 190 degrees or gas mark 5. While your oven is heating up, you'll want to put your hob on so that you can mix together your butter, sugar, syrup and grated ginger. For your ingredients to dissolve on the hob, you want to grab your dry mixture, your plain flour, cinnamon, allspice, bicarbonated soda and a pinch of salt. Once you have mixed all your dry ingredients together and your mixture on the hob has dissolved, you will want to wait for your mixture to cool slightly before placing this into the bowl. While I'm waiting, I like to crack the egg to be able to gain the egg yolk and place this into the bowl of my dry mixture. Now the ingredients that were on the hob have cooled slightly, I pour the mixture in with the dry mixture and mix until combined. I'm ready for being loved. I need more time, a little more. I'm ready for being loved. I'm walking home, I'm walking home. I've never been desperate to find someone who loves me. Yeah, I've never been that way. I have never been, I have never been, I have never been.
I've just put this in the fridge just to cool it down a little bit. I'm now going to put it in some cling film that's got a little bit of flour on it. I'm going to roll it up and put it back in the fridge again for another half an hour and then we'll take it from there. mixture has hardened up a little bit, I will now place this onto clean film which has flour on to help it not stick together. I will then roll this up and put this back in the fridge for a further 30 minutes. This will help harden the mixture so that we can roll it out later on. Now it's all rolled up, I'm going to go put this back in the fridge for half an hour. Now 30 minutes have passed. I have lightly floured the surface so that I can roll out my dough. You want to make your dough around 1/4 inch thick. To help me get these as even as possible, I have used 2 wooden spatulas as a leveler of sorts. You want to proceed with rolling out your dough until you get your desired thickness. Using your cookie cutter, you want to stamp out the gingerbread man shapes, lightly tearing off around the outside of the cutter to get rid of any excess dough that you no longer need, but that you will be re-rolling. You will place this on a lined tray. This could be either a grease-proof paper of sort, or if you've got any cookie liners, use them. Once all the cookies are perfect and ready to go into the oven, I will lightly spray these with a little bit of oil so that they can get nice and golden. I place these into the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes and always keep an eye on them. Once I've taken these out of the oven, I leave to cool for 5 minutes on the tray and then proceed to put them on a cooling rack. Once cooled, you can decorate how you like and then serve them to whoever you want.